Today is Sunday, day 8 of Heightened Alert in Singapore. Here to do some shopping at IKEA Alexandra Road. There was no queue to get in. Not many people I expect. The mall has a capacity of only 25% now. Remember to wear a mask and practice safe distancing. Outside along Alexandra Road, picture of the blue IKEA building. Entering IKEA now, trace together, compulsory. The crowd was noticeably thinner compared to a normal weekend. Before Heightened Alert, IKEA Alexandra Road is quite popular with visitors and people coming to buy stuff. Remember, practice safe distancing and the rule of 2 applies. Only 2. Care for some tables and chairs. Yep, IKEA along Alexandra Road. Here to get some handles and doorknobs to replace some in furniture, knobs in our kitchen as they were old and rusty. There were people around in groups of 2, no more large families, yeah. The IKEA food hall was open for takeaway only, no dining in, takeaway only. If you want some Swedish meatballs, can come to IKEA. The lines at checkout counter fairly short. Didn't wait for very long before it was our turn to pay. Well, with Heightened Alert, it's a good time to do some simple home renovation and redecoration, so IKEA is still pretty popular. All take care please. Stay safe. Bye bye.